Oh no. Oh no. What do I do? There's a fire. My building is on fire. I need a call. I need help. My phone? Okay. I can't think. What do I say? What do I say first?
Stop. Right there. If this was real, would you know what to say when they answer?
I don't know. I'm scared. My English, I can't find the words.
That feeling, that frozen moment, that's the problem.
But today, we fix that.
By the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say, the words, the order.
So when it matters, you don't freeze.
You act.
Hey everyone, I'm Cheri.
And I'm Nick. Welcome to English with Cheri.
Today's topic 911, emergency English in the United States.
This is real English, for real life, for a real emergency.
We hope you never need it, but if you do, you will be ready.
Okay, so first, what is an emergency? Like, what does that word mean?
An emergency is a dangerous situation. You need help fast, right now.
Like you see a fire, a big fire,
Or a car accident. Someone is on the ground, they are hurt.
or someone near you, they are not breathing. They need help immediately.
Those are emergencies, dangerous, fast. You call 911.
Now, you asked what to say, right? So let's learn the phrases, the exact words.
Yes, and we'll do it like a real conversation. No boring lists, just natural.
So imagine you see a fire. You call 911. What do you say about the fire? You say, there is a fire.
There is a fire. Simple, clear. Or maybe it's your building. Then you say, my building is on fire.
Say that with me. My building is on fire. Really say it out loud.
Good. Now, medical, a medical emergency. Someone is sick or hurt. What do you say?
Well, if it's a man, you say he is not breathing. Or maybe she fell. You say she fell and cannot move.
He is not breathing. She fell and cannot move. These are serious. These are emergencies.
What about a car accident on the road? You see cars crashed. What do you say?
You say, there was a car accident. Past tense. It already happened. There was a car accident. Someone is hurt.
Someone is hurt. Short, direct. The operator understands immediately.
Now, crime. Someone is doing something bad, breaking the law. What do you say?
You say someone is breaking in. That means someone is trying to enter a building illegally. Someone is breaking in.
Or maybe you see someone stealing. That's a robbery. You say, I see a robbery.
And if you are scared, if you feel in danger, you say, I feel unsafe, or there is a person with a weapon.
I feel unsafe. There is a person with a weapon. A weapon means a gun, a knife, something dangerous.
And one more situation. Someone is unconscious. That means they are not awake. They will not open their eyes.
You say, he is unconscious, or she is not responding. Not responding means you talk to them, you touch them, nothing, no answer.
He is unconscious. She is not responding. Say those. Really say them.
Okay, stop for a second. I want to ask you something. You're listening right now.
Right, this is for you, the listener. Think about this.
You call 911. The operator answers. What is the very first thing you say? Not the problem, not help me. What is the very first thing?
Think about it. What do they need to know first?
Your location, where you are, your address. That is always first, always.
Location first. I am at 123 Main Street. That's it. Location first. Before the problem, before everything.
Why? Well, if the call stops, if the phone dies, they know where to send help. They know where to go.
Location first. Remember that. We're going to say it again a lot.
Okay, so now let's talk about how to call 911, step by step. Well, not steps exactly, just the flow, what you do.
First, try to be calm. I know, it's hard, but take one breath, just one.
Then dial 911, 911, and press call.
You can call from any phone, and it's free, always free. No money, no phone plan needed.
Someone will answer. They are called the operator or the dispatcher. They will say, 911, what is your emergency?
And you give your location. Tell them where you are before you say anything else. I am at, and then your address.
I am at 123 Main Street, or I am at the corner of Oak Street and Fifth Avenue, or I am in Riverside Park near the fountain.
Whatever you can describe. Look around. Street signs, building names, landmarks. Tell them.
Then you say the problem. Short, clear. There is a fire, or someone is not breathing, or there was a car accident.
The operator will ask you questions. Listen. Answer them. You don't need perfect English. Short answers are okay.
Is anyone hurt? You say yes, or I don't know. That is fine. You don't need to know everything.
And the most important thing after location, do not hang up. Do not hang up.
Stay on the line. Wait for the operator to say it's okay. They will tell you. Until then, you stay, you listen.
And Cheri, what if someone's English is really basic? Like, what if they can't explain?
Great question. When the operator answers, you just say your language, just one word. Chinese, Spanish, Russian, Vietnamese.
The 911 system has translators. They connect the person who speaks your language. You don't need perfect English to get help.
Let's show you what that sounds like. Ready?
911, what is your emergency?
Chinese. I speak Chinese.
Okay, stay on the line. I am connecting a translator now.
Okay.
That's it. Just one word. Chinese. Or Spanish. Or any language. And they connect you.
You don't need more English than that. But still, right? Give your location first, even in your language. Location first. Always.
Oh, and one more thing. We're talking about the US today. 911. But other countries? Different numbers.
Right. In England, in the UK, the number is 999. In Australia, it's 000, 000. In many countries in Europe, it's 112.
So if you travel, always check the local emergency number. But today, right now, we focus on the USA, 911.
Quick question for you again. You are walking. You see a car crash. 2 cars. Someone is on the ground. You call 911. They answer. What do you say first? Not the accident, not there was a crash. What is first? Your location. I am at the corner of Main Street and Park Avenue. Then, there was a car accident. Someone is hurt. Your address. Say it first. Every time.
Okay, Cheri, I think it's time. Let's do the role play.
Yes, this is the most important part. We are going to act it out. A real 911 call. I will be the operator. Nick will be the caller.
Listen carefully. This is exactly what a real call sounds like. Ready?
911, what is your emergency?
Yes. Okay. I am at 123 Main Street. I am at 123 Main Street.
Okay, 123 Main Street. What is happening?
There's a fire. My building is on fire. The second floor? Wait, I think? Yes, second floor. There's a fire.
Are you safe right now?
The fire is getting bigger. I can see it from here. I hear people inside. I think people are still inside.
Okay, help is on the way. Is anyone hurt?
Wait, I don't know. I think maybe yes. I can't see clearly.
Okay, listen to me. Stay outside. Do not go back inside. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. I am outside. Should I hang up?
No, stay on the line with me. Help is coming. Stay on the line.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, end of role play. Nice, that was really good.
Well, I was a little nervous, even acting. But did you notice? Location first. I am at 123 Main Street. Before the fire, before anything.
Yes, and the sentences were short, simple. There is a fire. My building is on fire. I think maybe yes. Short is okay. Short is good.
And he did not hang up. That is so important.
Do not hang up. The operator said stay on the line, so you stay, always.
Now, let's replay the key lines. Slow, really slow. Listen carefully. Slow version. Ready?
911. What is your emergency?
I am at 123 Main Street.
Okay, 123 Main Street. And what is the emergency?
There is a fire. My building is on fire.
Is anyone hurt?
I don't know. Maybe yes.
Help is coming. Stay outside. Do not hang up.
I am outside. I am safe.
Good. Stay on the line.
Good. Now, natural speed. A little faster, like real life.
I am at 123 Main Street. There is a fire. Someone is hurt. Do not hang up.
You hear that? A little faster, but the same words, the same meaning. That's how it sounds in real life.
You don't need to be slow and perfect, just clear. Location, problem, stay on the line.
Okay, Cheri, let's do some quick scenarios, fast ones. I'll describe the situation. You, listener, you think of what to say.
Ready? Here we go.
You are driving. You stop at a red light. You look to the right. 2 cars crashed. There is a person on the ground, not moving. You call 911. What do you say?
Start with your address. I am at, and say the street names. Then, there was a car accident. Someone is hurt. They are not moving.
Great. Next one. You are at home. Your neighbor is an old man. You hear a big sound. You go check. He's on the floor. He will not open his eyes. He is not moving. You call 911.
What do you say?
I am at your address. Then, he is unconscious. He is not responding. Those words, that's it.
Unconscious, not responding. The operator knows exactly what those words mean. Use them.
Now, Cheri, let's talk about mistakes. Because people make mistakes, even native speakers. What are the most common ones?
Well, the biggest one, the most common one, not giving your location first. Just starting to explain the problem. There's a fire! Help! There's a fire!
And the operator's thinking, okay, but where? Where is the fire? They can't help you if they don't know where you are.
Location first, always. We said it before, we will say it again. Location first.
What's the second mistake?
Just yelling help over and over. Help! 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 That's not enough information. The operator needs to know where and what.
Where and what? Not just help. Tell them the location. Tell them the problem. I am at, there is a...
And the third mistake, hanging up. Hanging up too fast. Okay, thank you, bye.
No, no, no. Stay on the line. The operator might need more information. They might tell you what to do. Stay on the line.
Do not hang up until they say so. That's the rule. Do not hang up.
Okay, one more quick question for you, listener. Last one. You're at work. Someone collapses. They fall. They are not moving. They are not breathing. You grab your phone. You call 911. The operator says, 911, what is your emergency? What are your first words?
You say, I am at, and then your work address. Then, someone is not breathing. He is unconscious. That's it. Location, then the problem.
You are getting this. I can feel it.
Remember the beginning of this episode? I was panicking. Oh no, there's a fire. I didn't know what to say.
Right. But now you know. You actually know.
Location first. I am at 123 Main Street. Then the problem. There is a fire, or there was a car accident, or someone is not breathing.
Answer the questions, stay calm, or try to, and do not hang up, ever.
You can do this. We know it feels hard, but the words are simple. The sentences are short. You know them now.
We really hope you never need to use this. Really. But now, if you do, you're ready.
And here's something for you to do today, right now, or after this episode.
Look up your real address, the place where you live. Say it out loud. Practice saying it clearly. I am at, and then your address. Just do it once today.
And in the comments, write one sentence, just one. There is a fire, or I am at, your street name. Just one sentence. You can do it.
We read every comment. We love seeing your English. Even one sentence is progress. One sentence is real.
Listen every day. Small steps. Every episode, your English gets a little better, a little stronger.
You showed up today. You listened. That already means something.
Thank you so much for being here. I'm Cheri. Take care of yourself.
And I'm Nick. See you next time. Bye.